Hi. It's you. Are they still? What's wrong? Uh-oh, I'm scared now. I am right now at the Golden Triangle. So this is something totally new for me. I can see 3 countries, which is hence the triangle. And where I'm standing is Thailand. There behind me is Myanmar, formerly known as Burma. Shout out to you, Kin. I've been thinking of you. And then over there, across the river, is Laos. If it wasn't COVID, we might be able to go on a boat and even just say like, I'm in Laos. But it's really amazing to be here. And I want to thank Pat for bringing me here because it wasn't part of today's tour. Well, but this to me, as somebody who studies migration and studies borders, is really special. So, Pat Punka.
That is Ning. She own this place. Her father own this place, but will belong to her soon. Oh, this is ginger. Look
at that. Underground. It
You
grows
see
like
that?
potatoes.
It look like that, yeah. Look.
It's a lot of work to get it up.
Actually, in Thailand, we use ginger to cook and also to drink.
I don't think I've ever seen broccoli grow before either. So this is very educational for me. Oh, thank you. So sweet. So interesting to see like real farm life and to get out of the beaten path of all the tourists, although there's not that many tourists right now. So these are my new friends, the water buffalo. And I'm gonna feed them. Yeah. Aww, I want a water buffalo.
Take back home.
Yeah.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
สวัสดีปีใหม่ค่ะ
And Kun Ning said that we call a happy tea. It's marijuana. In Thailand, is this month, December, that they allow you to grow this.
Okay, let's get happy.
Ganja.
So this is my first time trying happy
It was
tea.
forbidden, but it's now legal.
Okay, it's legal, so I'm recording it, but it's legal, everyone. Okay.
Only that little cup, it doesn't make you drunk. It just make you dance.
Okay, Happy New Year! Woohoo!
Happy
New
New
experience.
Buenas tardes.
Pero,
Estamos en Tailandia.
pero hablamos en...
Español. En la cascada que se llama cascada Wachiratán. Wachira el nombre de nuestro rey alto.
Es grandísimo.
Grandísimo, sí.
Como Islandia. Entonces, si necesitas una guía en Tailandia y hables español, él es tu hombre.
Y tailandés también hablo.
Exactamente. Y inglés también.
inglés,
Y inglés también.
Okay, we are now in the Chui Phong Tea Plantation, Chui Phong Farm, owned by a Thai Chinese guy. Here they farm a famous oolong tea and ching ching tea from Chiang Rai, from Thailand.
So we would take them to grow the tea from the time they plant it.
Well, take at least 2 years,
Whoa.
and then after that, they time to collect that leaf to make tea for your drink.
So don't take your tea for granted. It took a lot of time to grow. Let's go drink tea. Explain how you say your name and the tones.
Okay, my name is Pet. Pet means diamond. Diamond, right? But when you say pet, that means duck with a low tone.
So we have a problem.
Don't
You
is
say, don't say that.
Don't is pet and pet is here.
Right.
And then if pet is means spicy.
Oh, so you can be
But pet,
spicy duck, diamond duck.
Yeah.
There are many options, but we'll say pet.
Diamond spicy duck.